Welcome! Today I'll explain how you can make money by investing in ETFs or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are increasingly popular among investors due to their versatility and convenience. ETFs are funds that hold a basket of assets, such as stocks or bonds, and are traded on the stock exchange like a single stock. Investing in ETFs allows you to diversify your portfolio in a simple and cost-effective way. There are various types of ETFs: equity, bond, sector, thematic, and many others. Each type has different characteristics and objectives, allowing investors to choose the one that best suits their needs. There are two main investment strategies with ETFs: passive investing, which aims to replicate the performance of a market index, and active investing, which seeks to outperform the market through more targeted choices. Compared to other financial instruments, ETFs offer numerous advantages: lower management fees, high liquidity, transparency, and risk diversification. To start investing in ETFs, follow these steps. First, conduct thorough research on the various ETFs available. Second, open a trading account with a reliable broker. Third, select the ETFs that best meet your investment goals. Finally, regularly monitor the performance of your investments and make adjustments if necessary. Some of the most popular ETFs include the Spider S&P 500 ETF known as SPY, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF or VTI, and the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, also known as EEM. These ETFs cover different areas of the market, offering diversification opportunities. Investing in ETFs can be an effective strategy for long-term gains. Always remember to do your research and consider the risks associated with investing. Good luck and happy investing!